Hi guys, it's me, Sue Lynn from Renpet Bath Beauty. I apologize for the lighting. I had to escape, or as we say here, escape. We had to escape to our room because family's still up and whatnot, and it's a little bit noisy out there. So, this is, sort of an announcement. I said last Tuesday when I made the Breakfast at Tiffany's soap shots that instead of on the occasional Wednesday when I've been posting additional content, that I'm going to change that day to a Tuesday. And I'd like to do it 2 Tuesdays a month. And it's not always going to be soap making. Some Tuesdays I'm going to sit down with y'all and have you guys, in the video before that, ask all kinds of questions. If you want to ask questions about me, about our company, anything that you would like, because I have a full array of stuff on my YouTube channel, liquid, cold process, hot process, melt and pour, soap dough, you name it, I pretty much make it. So if there's any questions that you guys have for me, both professionally or personally, you're more than welcome to ask. And the reason I'm going to do things like this is not only because I want to get to know you better, but I want you to get to know me better. And plus, I just got a phone call today. Today is, what day is it? It's Father's Day. It's Sunday, June 21st. Got a phone call today that the Honey Festival, the one that I was I've been waiting for years to get into this Honey Festival, it's not happening. So, the good news is that I was able to, use my payment, and I'm already scheduled, and next year is already set up, so I don't have to worry about next year. But I'm very disappointed. I'm disappointed that I can't do shows. I miss my customers. I miss my friends, the other vendors and things like that. So, if you guys don't care for, my commentary on these Tuesday videos, it's not going to hurt my feelings if you don't watch them. Because I'm not just doing it for you guys, but I'm also doing it for my children, and especially my grandchildren. Because my grandchildren, they'll be able to have all of these YouTube videos forever. They'll be able to show their kids, God forbid, something happened to me, but they'll be able to watch me, their Mimi, do what she loves, and talk to her friends and her colleagues and all of that stuff. They're gonna be able to see me make soap, my favorite thing in the whole world to do. I've actually just recently started recording myself painting too, because all three of my grandchildren are very, very, very much, the ones that are with us all the time, are very much into painting. So I've been sort of commentating on why I do things, but that's another story. But like I said, it's going to be Tuesdays, and like I said, you're not going to hurt my feelings if you don't watch them, but you are more than welcome to ask me anything. I'll answer it. So with all of that said, I just want to say one last thing. Thank you. You guys are so incredible. I love you all so much. It means the world to me that you guys watch my videos and you comment on my videos, and we have that interaction. You guys are the best. I mean, absolutely the best. And I couldn't ask for a better family than what we have at the Renpet family. So you guys have a great rest of the week, and I will see you on Friday. Bye-bye.